Hello kids, how are you all? Today we will do activity for letter D. D the diamond. In one of the videos, I have made you learn some words which starts with alphabet D. It is important to revise. So let's start. D the duck. D the dog. D the drum. D the diamond. D the doll. D the dolphin. D the door. We have completed our revision. Now we will start our activity. Let's bring our material quickly. Wow! Now let's check what colors are these. White, yellow, brown, violet, blue, pink, light blue, dark green, light green, black. First, I will color the diamond with sky blue color. D the diamond. Kids, do you know diamond is used in jewelry? Now I will do paper crumpling. For this activity, the small pieces of paper needs to be crumpled. I will make many such balls by crumpling the paper. I will apply Fevicol in letter D. Kids, now I will paste them one by one. Our activity is completed. D the diamond. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.